So these are the pieces that I'm using for my new coaster. These are the pieces that I have left. And just if you were wondering, all the pieces are from the Knex Motorized Madness ball machine. So these are all the connectors. So let me get this iPod out of here. Okay. So these are all the connectors. I don't have much left. And then these are all the rods. I don't have any orange left at all. I used all of them. And there's some chain that I ordered from eBay. And then here are the big pieces, like the thick pieces, and then the track. So yeah. And then this is the actual coaster. There are all the orange pieces. So yeah, that's the chain lift. It's pretty sturdy. And then you see it goes down into sort of a G loop. It's like really flat though, but I like it the way it is. So yeah. That small part of the G I actually just finished today. And then, as you can see, all of these boxes are made by the red, so like red by red by red by red rods. I've used a lot of them, and I'm running out of those too. But I'll show you it though, and then the two loop and lightning cars, so I'll show you this. Okay, so I have the cars on the chain lift. Everything is ready, so I'll put on the motor, and here we go. So that's it. I hope that was good enough for you. And until my next update, for my coaster, this is knex 229, now signing